Hello friends, let me introduce you myself. My name is Patanjali Kashyap and I am working as a technology manager under TMT, HRIT and CPG group. As far as my educational qualification is concerned, I am PhD in atomic and quantum physics. I wrote multiple research papers on diverse topics which includes cognitive computing and .NET technologies. Recently, I wrote a book on machine learning. The title of the book is Machine Learning for Decision Makers. Now, coming back to the main agenda of this talk, where I'm going to introduce you with the white paper which I submitted for Grace Hopper conference. The main theme of this white paper is to come up with some innovative um, models and frameworks for improving productivity of a team member and therefore for organization. So the main the how it works, how the frameworks which I proposed works. So the underlying technology behind all the frameworks are a central data lake and the machine learning technologies. So all the information of individual team members are stored into the data lake. When I am saying all the information, it contains his educational, professional, and behavioral competencies. So those information are stored into the database. Similarly, all the project artifacts like FSD and BRD are also stored into the data lake. On the similar line, there are different software models exist in the industry nowadays, like Scrum and Waterfall methodology. So all the finer details of methodologies are also stored into the database and their success rate as well. So after all the informations are readily available into the database and data lake, a machine learning algorithm is run on top of that. After running the machine learning algorithm, it will generate as a output different reports which are interactive in nature, and a recommendation. It will give recommendation as well. Once the reports and recommendation come in the front of the decision maker, they will clearly see a mapping that the what are the skills associated with a specific resource and how competent they are, because it will give the rating as well. On the basis of all these things, they will select that the which particular resource will be most suited for this specific project. So that is the first part of that. Second part is come that when the system will suggest that which particular software methodology will be best suited for executing this particular project, and it will give a recommendation around that. Also, it will provide guidelines and the way of education. So this will complete the overall journey from identifying the resource to executing the project and delivering it successfully. But the story not ends there. In the final fund, the white paper also suggests that the what are the self-learning tools can be incorporated to improve the productivity of an individual further. So that's in the nutshell this white paper talks about. Thank you very much for your time.